this is Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia. Today I'm going to show you this 5-bedroom apartment in Burjassot. We are right next to the metro station, so even though you don't live in the capital of Valencia city, you're very well connected with the city itself. We are on the 3rd floor right now. As you're going to see, we've got the, well, let me start showing you the apartment, the kitchen, and then I'm going to show you the rest of the rooms. Each room has a color that corresponds to the color of the wall as well in the room. So you have both the storage and also as well as the private space here, yes, with your plate, etc. The kitchen is fully equipped, as you can see. All the kitchen equipment is right here. Here we've got the washing machine with the drying option. Here we've got the electric stove with the oven, the sink, and the fridge with the freezer. It's right here. Now let's take a look at the room number 1. And in every room we have got the wardrobe, standalone unit wardrobe, also the desk with the chair, TV, and the chest of drawers. Here also we've got a single bed and this exterior view on the balcony I'm going to show you right now, and also a small fridge that is in every room. The air conditioner is also right here. Alright, so that's bedroom number 1. Now bedroom number 2, we have double bed, and here we've got also the access to the balcony and the private bathroom. Chest of drawers. So again, I'm going to show you the wardrobe right here, because in the previous room I couldn't, because it's their personal belongings inside. So it looks like this inside, and of course the drawers, the 5 right here, just put like this. Okay, so double bed again in front of TV, and desk with a chair and a lamp, and the balcony with this view. Okay. Now let me show you the private bathroom of this apartment, of this bedroom. Alright, here it is. The sink with a mirror, toilet, and shower. Now let's move on to the bedroom, bathroom, that is for the rooms that don't have the private bathroom. So here it is, the single mirror, toilet, and this spacey shower right here. And now the bedroom number 3 is right here next to the bathroom, and this one is the only one that is interior. And here we got the same kind of setup as in the previous room, yes, with all the elements that you've seen, but here they are organized in this way. So you got a bed here, it's a single bed, yes, just a drawer with 2 drawers, again same wardrobe, same furniture here. TV is right here next to the bed, and the mirror is right here. Now the rest of the bedrooms have got private bathrooms, yes. So here we have bedroom number 4 right here, with a single bed, yes, the air conditioner is right here, the wardrobe, desk with a lamp, and this one is exterior. And now you can see the metro station, you can see how close you are. This is the metro station right here. TV and just the drawers. Yes, now the private bathroom of this apartment is right here, this bedroom. Sink, toilet, and a shower, pretty spacey shower. And now right here we've got bedroom number 5. This one has the double bed, and it's chest of drawers here, another here with a lamp, same view of course, same wardrobe, and TV is right next to in front of the bed, and the air conditioner is right here. Now the private bathroom of this bedroom looks like this, with a shower and a toilet. Alright, so thank you very much. That was Daniel from Spotahome, Valencia, and see you next time.